The Chevrolet Infotainment System was designed to feel simple and familiar. Just like using your smartphone or tablet, it's the place to find a wide range of features to assist in your driving and to make it easier. The touchscreen is responsive, intuitive, and ergonomic. This is the main home screen where you can see everything you need, like audio sources, navigation, climate control, change settings, and more. You have the ability to seamlessly integrate either your Apple iPhone or Android smartphone with the infotainment system via Bluetooth, or you can use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, which allow you to mirror your smartphone's interface on the vehicle's touchscreen.